says find the derivative at x equals -3. So first we have to find the derivative. Find the derivative would be, a polynomial is always easier. 3x squared. Each term gets done separately. 2 times 26x. 56x is 56. Derivative of any constant, 78, is gone, 0. Okay, so now we just plug in 3 into our derivative. So y prime at 3 is putting 3 in. Okay, so let's see, 9 times 3, that's 27, minus 3 times 26, 78, plus 56. If you add all those up, you get, I believe, 5. Okay, 48 says find the derivative at a given value of x equals -3. So first we're going to do y prime. So y prime, 2/3 times the front, that's -2/3, 2x plus 2, and then we have to subtract 1 from 2/3. So over here, 2/3 take away 1, that's 2/3 take away 3/3, which is -1/3. -1/3. Okay, we're not done taking the derivative yet. We've applied the power rule. Now we do the chain rule. We're going to climb inside. The derivative of the inside of this is 2. Okay, so I'm going to clean up this. That's the derivative. Now I'm going to clean up this derivative. I know I've got a negative, so I'm going to put up a numerator denominator. I've got a negative power. I'm going to put that on the bottom. Not only that, it's 1/3, so that's the root. So I've got a cubic root of 2x plus 2. Okay, and now the stuff that gets to stay on the top, there's a 2 times a 2, that's -4. And this 3 times 3 is on the bottom. So that's our derivative. Okay, so now we're ready to plug into this derivative the x value of -3 and see what we get. Okay, so we're going to bring all this, I just copied it to here. We're going to do y prime at -3. We're going to put it in. So -4 is on top. 3 times the cubic root, 2 times 3, plus 2. What is that? Let's see, -4 on the top, 3 on the bottom. What is the cubic root? 6 plus 2 is 8. Oh, good, this is going to work out. The cubic root of 8 is 2. 3 times 2 is 6. So we get -4/6. So the answer, -4/6, is -2/3 if you reduce it. And 49, find the derivative at x equals -3. First, we got to take the derivative. So that's y prime. Okay, 2 times x divided by 2. Drop the x squared down to a 1. Plus the derivative of x is 1. Okay, if you clean this up a little bit, 2 divided by 2, that's just x plus 1 is our derivative. And all we're asked to do is find the derivative at x equals -3. So let's put the -3 in to the derivative function. And we get -2. That is our derivative at x equals -3.